Hey guys, thank you guys for watching this video today. I am Carlos Gutierrez, and today we're going to see a beautiful home that is 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, that is close to the Diriamba city. Actually guys, we are just 1 hour away from the capital of Managua here in Nicaragua, and 25 minutes from Boquita Beach and Casares. Yes, actually Diriamba, because the beautiful elevation and the location is so close to the Pacific side of the country, which is a great feature. You can have your retiree home in Diriamba with this great weather and then just go straight to the beach and enjoy the tropical. So I want you to join to me and walk through this beautiful modern Mayan style. Yes, you heard it well. So let's go and see it. Oh wow, look at these guys. Love it. This is actually what they call the main large living room. Pretty nice size, actually. Look at the high ceiling with double ceiling fan with that nice hanging lamps right in the center, which provide a very warm and nice style into this room. Actually, this large room, you can tell, is easily to host more than 10 to 12 people, especially when you have a reunion. This is a perfect space. It's actually the main living area as soon as you open the doors. And this is where they set this place also for the TV. The colors, the air conditioning, and the large and big slide doors will connect to you to the outdoor side, which is a beautiful part of the house too. I will say probably is the main heart or the main core of the whole concept. Next door, we have a hallway that will connect to me to the side of all the suites that we have. Actually, in the main house, we have 4 main suites with its own bathrooms and walk-in closet. We're going to look at that in a minute. But in the meantime, see how they connect this section here with one of the rooms. With custom-made furniture, beautiful pieces like this one, keeping exactly the same style of the Mayan features. Actually, the architect said, Carlos, this house is a Mayan style modern home. It's in Regina development, which is so close to Diriamba. These beautiful rooms you can see is large, high ceiling, air conditioning, a different color. Everything was set up very nicely. Again, following the same layout and feature like this one. And then you have a beautiful large master bathrooms. Each one actually has the same size. We are in the hallway that connects with the 4 master suites. Every suite has some custom-made features. But in the meantime, let's go and see the master one. Look at that, the outdoor swimming pool. Actually, I like how the architect decided to put it right in the core of the house. Everything is going around the swimming pool. On one side, you can tell the 4 master suites. On the other side, you have the extra bathroom, a barbecue section, and an extra room for your office. Right in the swimming pool, you're gonna enjoy that beautiful feature of the waterfall. Going all the way back, you have the section for the kitchen that we're going to look in a minute. And then meanwhile, check this place. 2 hammocks ready to have fun. This house definitely is using the best of the weather of Diriamba because the temperature, man, is really good.
You're a superstar, and I can feel you in my arms. Moving to a pretty song, the beat is pounding out my heart. From killer to the dawn, and I can say what we'll become. Am I insane?
Look at this section here, guys. Next to the swimming pool, you have this extra large room as well, where you can entertain your friends and your family. Because it's so close to the main large kitchen, is a great time to have in this beautiful home. So let's go and see this kitchen, because definitely, guys, you can tell what is called a master large kitchen, like this one. Modern, open, wide, very comfortable. And look at all the features. Double sink right here, high ceiling, nice furniture pieces, and the AC is right there. And look at the island. This island is a great piece of furniture where you can easily fit over 10 people. Can you imagine a party, a holidays in this beautiful home? This place is perfect. You can cook right here and entertain your friends right there. And every room has air conditioning. So during the summer season, that's not a big deal. Even though you have that great swimming pool in the heart of these beautiful homes. So let's continue looking around, because definitely, guys, if you have a family that wants to live close to 𝗙𝗍𝗘, in Diriamba, close to Managua, only 25 minutes away from Casares and Boquita Beach, this is a great option. And I'm gonna give you at the description below of this video how can you contact me and say, Carlos, I want to live close to the ocean, but I want to be close to the conveniences, which is like a city of Diriamba. Diriamba city is probably 65,000 people only, and you can find everything you need: supermarkets, gas station, clinics, hospital, everything, even schools. So if you're planning to come to Nicaragua and retire, this is a great option. But if you have a family that still have some kids to go to school close to Diriamba, 𝗙𝗍𝗘, and Managua, it gives to you a great alternative. Look at this. Love it. You can easily connect from the carport to the swimming pool area. On the roof, you can easily fit 2 cars, but the rest of the space is perfect for more cars if you want to. 2 main gate doors will connect the entrance and the exits of the property. So actually, guys, this is a perfect property for a family that wants to live close to a city with a cool weather like Diriamba. But you enjoy the swimming area, you enjoy the Pacific side, you want to go to the ocean. It's also so close to Boquita, Casares, and other locations. So thank you guys for watching this video today. I hope you really enjoy this information. And if you're ready to buy a property here, you're looking to retire, or you just basically say, Carlos, I'm looking at a house for my family in a great weather, here you are, my telephone number and my email. We are going to have this property very soon in all the social media. So thank you so much, Betty, Mauricio, and Stacy, for helping us to film this place. So don't forget to subscribe. I want to see you at the next adventure.